Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Mangai Pachadi or raw mango sweet sour sauce. This is a specialty for Tamil New Year. So let's see how to make this Mangai Pachadi. Friends, if you like our videos, press the like sign. If you have not subscribed and would like to, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. We have taken two medium sized raw mangoes and we have chosen mangoes in such a way that they are sweet and sour. First, let us peel off the skin of the raw mangoes. So now we have peeled off the skin of both the raw mangoes and we are going to chop them roughly. There is no need to, chop them in a very definite size or shape. Just chop them roughly. And now we are good to go. So to make this Mangai Pachadi, we have taken 1 cup chopped raw mangoes, 1 cup jaggery or good, and this is a special item. This is neem flower. We are going to take neem flowers also. We are going to only take the flowers from this and roast the flowers until they turn golden brown. So the flowers have come to 1 teaspoon. You can take more if you want or less if you want. This adds bitterness to the pachadi. More about that later. So 1 teaspoon neem flowers is what we have taken. And then we have taken half teaspoon turmeric powder. Neem flower, as I said, 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. 2 red chillies broken, 2 green chillies chopped roughly, and 1/4 teaspoon hing powder or asafoetida powder. So now let us begin. So we have taken the chopped raw mangoes in a pan and we are adding 3/4 cup water to it. Just add enough water to soak the mangoes, immerse the mangoes. We have added turmeric powder and now switched on the flame, kept the flame on medium, mix well, and now we are going to cover and cook this medium to low flame. And now in the meanwhile, while the mangoes are cooking, we have taken jaggery in a pan and we have added half cup water to it. We are going to heat it and let the jaggery dissolve. And now let us check on our mangoes. Wow, our mangoes have cooked. I have not added lot of water to it because we are going to add the jaggery syrup separately. If you are going to add the jaggery there itself, then you can add more water. We have added salt now and switched off the flame. Mash it lightly and now our jaggery has dissolved and it has come to a boil. Mix well and just switch off the flame and add this jaggery syrup to the cooked raw mangoes. And now we have switched on the flame. We have kept it medium to low. Mix well and now let us bring this to a boil. We have to allow the syrup to thicken now. So our Manga Pachadi is coming to a boil now. We have switched off the flame. This is the perfect texture for it. So in another small skillet, we have added the neem flowers now. We are going to roast it until they turn golden brown. Stir continuously. The neem flower is done now and we have heated ghee in the same skillet. Add mustard seeds when the ghee is hot. When the mustard seeds crackle, we have added red chillies, then green chillies. Switched off the flame and then added asafoetida powder. And we are crushing the roasted neem flower with the hands. Just crush with hands and add it to the hot ghee. Now we are adding this lovely tempering to our Mangai Pachadi. Awesome Manga Pachadi is ready. This Mangai Pachadi represents life. It has all the tastes. sourness, bitterness, sweetness, astringent taste, and it is salty and pungent as well. That is why it's made on Tamil New Year. So happy Tamil New Year. Puttandu வாழ்த்துக்கள் in advance. Bye. Take care. See you soon with another video.